Introducing MACHFORCE connectors, designed for mission-focused uptime and seamless field repairability. In today's fast-paced, mission-critical environments, downtime is not an option. That's why we designed MACHFORCE connectors with field repairability in mind. Imagine experiencing a signal issue within your interconnect harness. With most D38999 connector offerings, repairs are nearly impossible after final assembly. But with MACHFORCE connectors, you'll be able to diagnose and repair the issue right there in the field if the need arises. In a short series of videos, we'll cover how MACHFORCE connectors make field repairs straightforward and efficient. First, we'll demonstrate how MACHFORCE connectors use standard tools to complete repairs on the spot without complicated procedures and use industry-standard 22D pins and sockets for field repairs. Then, we'll also demonstrate how to quickly resolve signal issues in the field. First, we'll show how to repair a single faulty pin, ensuring optimal performance. Next, we'll demonstrate how to re-terminate a port within the high-speed module and reassemble it, providing a comprehensive solution to address any connectivity issues. With MACHFORCE connectors, downtime becomes a thing of the past. You have the power to quickly resolve issues right where they occur, ensuring uninterrupted performance in the field. Stay tuned for more detailed videos in our Field Repairability mini-series, where we'll continue to empower you with the knowledge and tools to tackle on-site repairs that will keep your operations running smoothly with MACHFORCE connectors.